Are you looking to convert eMClient files into other formats? We've got you covered. But before we begin the conversion process, let's take a look at how to export emails from eMClient. Open your eMClient mailbox. Click on the menu option in the top navigation bar. Go to File, and select the Export option. Select an Export option to export the eMClient mails. Click Next. Select the folders you want to export by checking the boxes next to them. Click Next. Choose the destination folder where you want to save the exported emails. Click Finish to complete the export process. Now let's look at the process of converting eMClient emails into other formats, using the BitRecover eMClientConverter wizard. To install the BitRecover eMClientConverter wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with Select File or Select Folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select the folder or folders containing the eMClient files you wish to convert. Then, click the Select Folder option below. This box will display the path of the selected folder. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Users have the option to save the files in other formats such as PST, MSG, EML, text, MBOX, and many others. Let's select PST option for this tutorial. Separate PST per user option creates individual PST files per user. Check or uncheck it accordingly. The destination path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. After selecting the destination path, it's time for the conversion process. Simply click the Convert button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. You have successfully converted eMClient files using the BitRecover eMClientConverter wizard. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.